Is our schooling system failing with the kids with autism? The truth parents must know. So, autism kids are having features of autism, but they are not always intellectually disabled. So, the kids have social deficits, they might have language deficits, but intellectually they might be good, they might be average, or they might be extraordinary. But the moment child goes to a school, there is a lot of requirement for the child to show his social and language skills. Majority of the regular schools, they want the child to speak, they want the child to mingle with the other kids, they want the child to be around with other kids. Autism kids might not be okay or might get uncomfortable with all these expectations. Because these expectations are not met, teachers have a difficulty, or the teachers might complain that the child is having these difficulties. From the child's perspective, because I am not adjusted to these situations, I start showing behaviors. So basically, it's very important for the teacher to understand the diagnosis of autism and what all features an autism child can have, and look or try to adjust that child to the other kids in a way which is more comfortable for the child. Along with that, child requires some kind of therapy to start slowly mixing with these kids and start being at least together with these kids without having any behaviors. But this process takes a bit of time and a lot of efforts from the teachers. Now, in a regular schooling system, the ratio is 1:20, 1:25 of the teacher to kids. It is very difficult for a teacher to pay an individual attention towards a child who is having autism. The child can do a regular schooling, the child can be in the routine class and learn the things how the other kids are learning. But with some kind of adjustments, with some kind of management of his behaviors. But that equipped staff is very less available in regular schools. The staff needs to be trained about autism, the staff needs to be trained about behavioral therapies, the staff needs to be trained how to manage the behaviors and improve the skills in the child and treat him a little different, or maybe give him a little, the treatment or the teaching method has to be a little different as compared to other kids. But if they are not trained enough, they are not able to do that. Because they are not able to do that and they are having the same expectation of from this child as the other children, the child starts having behaviors, the child starts having a meltdown, and finally the child is either removed from the school, or the school suggests for a shadow teacher, or the school will just start ignoring the child as if the child is not there in the class itself. These processes are not really helping the child, and that is creating a kind of a negative impact in the life of the child. Ideal situations, what are supposed to happen is the child needs to have an inclusive schooling system. Whatever and how much ever the child is able to do along with the routine class, the child should be able to do there, and whatever he is not able to do, there has to be a resource room or a separate remedial education or a separate room where in the time of the school hours, where 3 hours he is spending with other kids, 2 hours he is spending with a personalized tutor or a personalized therapist, where he is getting trained better to be in the regular class. So this type of setup ideally is required, which are very less available in Indian schools, and that's how a regular schooling system is actually failing in treating or understanding a child with autism.